Hey guys, I'm Jen. Here in my hands I have my October Tribe It Beauty box, and I'm so excited to share this with you guys. So many of you guys love this box, and I really do too. They send out so many different brands and products that I don't get in any other box. It's really, really so different, and I love like experimenting with the new brands that they send out in each month's box. But this is $40 every 2 months. This is a bi-monthly subscription, and I'm so excited to see if they have done anything fun for Halloween. So with that said, let's see what's inside. I have no idea what this month's theme is, although I'm hoping it's something spooky. I have no idea what I received in here. Okay, the first thing that I'm pulling out, I have no idea what this is. What is this? It's in bubble wrap, that's all I know. Ooh, it's like a little foam, not foam, plastic scrubby. You can just like put your cleansing balm on and scrub it. I don't know if you guys can see the little detailing on the pad with the little different, I wonder, or it could be a brush cleaner. I don't really know. I guess we'll have to get further into this box to find out what it is. So the next thing that I'm pulling out is this Suva Beauty Artisan Palette. Oh my gosh, Suva Beauty. You make my favorite brushes ever. You and Fahara, but this is such interesting and beautiful packaging. I'm just so happy with the artwork that is on the cover of this palette. And let's see what's inside. Oh no, I have powder falling out all over me. I have 2 broken pans. That's really sad. And I think they're both the highlighters because both of them look very reflective. Okay, so I was really wondering, I was like, I wonder if this is going to be broken because I'm like, got it all over my jeans. Oh well. Oh my god, the highlighters are beautiful though. Okay, so let's take a moment and find a way to balance this without spilling any more powder on ourselves. we got a glitter right here. I love these 3 lavender shades. I love that pop of gold. Okay, honestly, there are a lot of really, really pretty colors in here. And then we have 2 blushes. So I'm going to assume that these 2 are highlighters because they look really, really reflective. And since they're already like on the back of, or on my fingers, I'm just going to take a minute, close this palette up, and swatch them. I'm going to have to contact Tribe Beauty about that being broken, but with that said, these are very, very pretty. They did feel very powdery, but like that's probably because they're broken. Oh well. So the next thing that I'm pulling out is this little tin that says no mustache waxing strips for my face. Yes. Okay, so I have polycystic ovarian syndrome. And one of the symptoms that I have with PCOS is that I have dark hair growing in places where like most women don't normally have the problem. Like most women have peach fuzz, but I literally have a full grown mustache if I don't take care of it. I really struggled to get like right here, like perfectly clean with a razor, just because it grows back so quickly. And so I have like mini razors and I just shave my face every day to stay on top of it. But I've always wanted to try waxing, but I've never wanted to buy a full-on waxing kit just for like one little trouble area on my face. And now I have highlighter powder all over my finger, so everything's gonna be super shiny. So this, I'm so excited to get open to show you guys. Oh my gosh! Has a little instructions. This is so cute. Little instructions, post-wax aloe cream, and then here's everything inside of the tin. And if I can get it out, oh my gosh, it looks like a Band-Aid kind of. And you just put that on, rip it off. Oh my gosh, girl, my hair is gonna be what hair? I don't have a mustache. You can't prove it after I'm done using this. I'm so excited about this. Honestly, thank you. That felt like such like a personal little touch in this box. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, the next thing that I'm pulling out is this Prime for Face by Marabella. Because beauty is a lifestyle, this product is paraben-free, talc-free, FD, and C dye-free. So I wonder what kind of primer it is. Prime for Face. The packaging is cool red too. Okay. What kind of primer do we got here? It's really falling off. Like, there we go. Now you can probably see the highlighter a little bit better because there's not so much primer. I mean, extra fallout on the back of my hand. Okay, this... Oh my god, what the heck? This is like Blur. Blur work. It really has a very similar texture to the Smashbox. What is that? Photoshop. The pore filling primer. I can't remember it for right now, but it has a little bit of a blurring effect. I've never heard of this brand, and I kind of wish we had a better understanding of what it did. Like, is it pore filling? Is it blurring? Like, my skin looks a little bit blurred, but there's no description. Is it illuminating? Is it supposed to help our makeup last all day? There's no description on this, and we don't have a card, so I don't know what this primer is used for. A little bit frustrating. Okay, the next thing that I'm pulling out, look at this, it looks like a little baseball bat. Okay, so we got this Wander Beauty Lip Setter. Dual lipstick and liner. Yes, that's what I'm here for. Okay, so let's go ahead and pop these both off. And oh, look how gorgeous. Yes, oh my gosh. Okay, that went on so seamlessly. And then we have the lipstick. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. Date night, hello. I can't wait to wear this. And I love Wander Beauty. I feel like they're underappreciated, but they end up in so many subscription boxes, and I just love their products. I've never had a bad product from Wander Beauty. And the last thing that I received in this month's Try Beauty box are these Venus Gale Cosmetics lashes. And look at the back. There's a little bit of spookiness, a little bit of Halloween. And here are the lashes. I think these are really, really pretty, actually. That is everything that I received in my October Try Beauty box. What did you guys think of this box? I'm so happy with it. Honestly, I'm so excited to play around with the palette and the lashes. I'm most excited about these wax strips. Like, I didn't know what this is a thing, and that's what I love about Try Beauty box, is that they're always introducing me to like new products that I didn't know were on the market. What did you guys think of this month's Try Beauty box? I can't wait to hear what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.